If you've got one of these guillotine style Resco dog nail trimmers and you got some replacement blades and you're trying to get that blade out of there, but you're following the videos and all the advice and it's just not working, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video because I've been struggling with this for about a half an hour and I finally figured out how to make it work if your device is a little tighter than what is showing up in the official videos.
The way that it's supposed to work is you see this little piece here, you're supposed to push that down and you can see it go down. And then if you kind of tap it on your hand or tap it on a counter, the blade's supposed to slide out. But as you can see from mine and from many commenters online, they don't always slide out. So let me show you how I got it to work. So interestingly, inside this packet, I noticed there's a tiny little nail. And that's what we're going to use. So I have a feeling this is actually the official way to do it. But if you don't have a nail, the first thing I used was a pencil and it worked just fine. So this, what you'll do is you're actually going to push this down part way. See if I can do this one-handed. Push it down part way until you see the hole there. And then, it's kind of hard. And then push, you can do it this way. So push down part way, you see the hole, and then push that down. And you have to play with it just a little bit to get it to work. There we go. I felt it click, and this came up higher. And then what you do, you use that little nail to go into that hole and slide out the blade. And there it is. Then it slides out. You can slide it back in and replace it. Like I said, you can also use just a pencil in there. It'll slide out. It's just a little bit sticky for some of us. So of course, once you have it out, you can just put in one of the other blades. Make sure that the sharp part, the flat part is up against there. Put it in. It says to go past that hole. And then push it down. And you can see, there it goes. It's working just fine. And now actually, let's see if this one will pop out easy. If I push down. Yeah, look at that. That one slid right out. I think it's got some oil on it, but the original one didn't do that. So that's how you get this open.